Welcome to Adri Dry and Breezy Entertainment. Tech, music, nature, troubleshooting, and honest reviews, all in one place. Let's get into it.
Here we have the Fanttik S1 Pro electric screwdriver. It is compact and very powerful. Once open, it comes with a Type-C charging for the electric screwdriver add-on. And then once you lift it up out, you'll see the 16 premium S2 steel bits of various functions. You can press down on the electric screwdriver head bottom and it will allow you to lift it up. Here you'll see electric screwdriver powered by an internal motor. So you can press the up and down arrow. Once it is switched on, we have different levels of speed. So if we press the up arrow, it will spin clockwise, and if we press the down arrow, it will spin anti-clockwise. Switching it from off, you realize that it doesn't turn on. Switch it to the first level, we get a certain speed. We switch it to the second level, and then we can also switch it to the third level. We also have a little LED light at the top that can actually help you as you screw in. I really like the feel of it. The whole product itself has a nice ergonomic lightweight design, very comfortable. The bits are magnetically held in, so you can easily detach. Also, the holder is magnetic. You just slide it into the slot and it will hold. So here I'll be just giving a demonstration of how you would basically operate it. So it clips in. I have it on the first level. I will be showing you how it works. Then it's magnetic, so we can just drop that. We can go here. It's magnetic. Let's get here. All right, and then to place it back on. All right, so and then it's in. So if you're interested in a tool like this, I've left my Amazon associate link in below. You can check out the product and give it a purchase. Disclaimer: as an Amazon associate, I earn qualifying purchases, and your purchases will help support my channel. So if you're interested, do check this product out and give it a purchase.